Namaste. Today I am with you in session 3, the continuation of research opportunities in musical signal processing. Now, in the previous sessions, we have come across the what is music, some of the research opportunities in music signal processing, music synthesis, music segmentation, music mimic, and few concepts of virtual music synthesis. Now, in this session, we will go through the remaining topics of effects of music on brain, music effect of music on plant and animal. Last, in just I will review the concept of music signal synthesis. Go through this video, which gives something related to virtual musical instruments.
Tells stories, it creates memories, it defines cultures, and it provides personal expression. So we brought award winner A.R. Rahman to the stage at CES. Incorporate all my requests. So it's something like this. Other musicians last year, all around, I'll be probably without any instrument. And the next one is the bulb. We can change the world. We can make this.
So here virtual musics are created based on the hand movements that you can observe here. This is the inauguration function with the help of A.R. Rahman by releasing some tools of Intel which is related to the music. Virtual music synthesis using some Intel instruments. So like this, there is a possibility of there are open up few problems in the music virtual music instrumentation or virtual music synthesis. Now I will move on to the topic of effect of music on brain. So there are varieties of problems with human, and music will do something interaction with the brain so that to analyze or disturb or control the emotions of human. As similar to the yoga, the music also play a very important role. The word yoga day is also matched with word music day. You just cross verify it. Now I will move to the next slide, that is so the emotions part of music. When the person is a normal and with different mood, the his expression will change. In psychologically, we can say the brain will be tuned or resonated for some frequency, so that the particular portions of a brain. I'm not a doctor with respect to the medicine. As a engineer, we can say with some tones, with some music, the brain will stimulate or acts like a catalyst. The music will be act like a catalyst to initiate some mood or to control some mood. Or even if you consider in the childhood days, the mom will speak some song, Jojo, like this, so it will create the mood of sleep. Like this, uh, the music will help in the field of controlling the emotions. Next slide is so how it will be acts like a medicine. So does it work for paralysis? I just give you an example like when we listen to the tamate sound, it will create some vibration on the body. It will motivate us to do the dance, or some nerve will proactive or activate, so that may become a treatment. So almost the western sounds or western music more of uh, intensity to create or give energy to move the body to dance. So similarly, it may be useful in the patients like a paralysis patients. Does it cure the cancer? So some chemical reaction has to be taken place inside the body based on the some waves or wave signals, or a brain should create some chemical reaction has to be acts in a brain based on some medicine or some waves which has been done through the music also. For kid, so if you take an example for learning a poem to a kid without and with music, or with tone and without tone, so this acts like a medicine to the student. You may heard about cerebral palsy. So it is a the disease in the kids. So they are undergrow. For that particular age, they may not have been grown to the maturity of the brain is not in that way, or the body the controlling is not in the normal manner. For them, the music can be acts like a supplementary treatment, so it may use it as a medicine. Medics music to the age old people to reduce the stress or to make them to give the happiness, and for the some diseases with respect to the sleep. So music can be used. So even the music can be used as an emotion control to impress somebody or to motivate somebody, to energize. So while listening to some words or some mantras, we may motivate do, to do something. So chanting is also one way of sound which is related to the music. So it is act like a catalyst to the mood change. So where all the music can be utilized. Now, so if you consider the fetal development with music, So in the mythology, if you studied, the the son of Arjuna, so is listening to the how to the activities involved in Chakravyuha. The baby in the fetal form or a inside the mother, it can listen and it can become expertise. Similarly, the musics also acts like a the developing tonic to the fetal. It also gives the yield, or we can say, the for the development activities of the fetal, uh, it is very helpful. So our olden age parents will say to the mothers or those who are in carrying stage, they will say listen to Vedas or mantra or listen to the music. It means that in our culture itself there is the possibility, or they have given the importance of the music. So I will show some of the videos and research papers too with respect to this. There is one village in the Meghalaya, so that is how the have been in the world record, or similar to preserving the monuments. They are not disturbing that village because of in this village, especially every baby or born, it is recognized by some sort of sound or some sort of music. So throughout the lifespan of that kid, so the instead of a by name or a word, they are going to recognize each person with the help of some musical tone or a melody to the each child. Then the village name is Kong Thong in the Meghalaya. There is another village called Rudrapatna. It is in Hassan district. The village is represents. It is a music village. There is they have built one temple for the to represent the music, and they are giving more trainings to the. They teach the music in the village. It is in Hassan district of Karnataka. From this image, we can view that the brain at rest and brain reacts to the music. There are few books on music and cancer. So, how the music affect to the fetal development, and some there are few papers with respect to the Shantala Hegde. She's a researcher at the NIMANS. She has doing the work with respect to neuroscience and the music, and they have set up a lab at the NIMANS, and there is a book called Music and Medicine by another author. Okay, sorry. The few papers related to the music, emotion, and the brain. It is by Shantala Hegde, a research paper from the NIMANS. So, this is with respect to their work at the NIMANS, and few more papers. So, music, the brain on music. It has been published in the Resonance. It is in the IAC and in Bangalore, the Journal of Resonance, and few other papers. Emotional response to the music, the need to consider underlying mechanisms of music, and a few journals. Those who are working in the Journal of Music Therapy, Journal of Music Research Online, and few journals of music education, and European Foundation for Chinese Music Research, few mobile oriented music, and perspectivity of new music, perspectives of music business research, and few more research journals are there to publish. These are the music related journals. And with respect to the few questions like what is music therapy, how does it works, and how psychology related to the music, the brief history with respect to music therapy, and some of the studies, and few journals. There are list of journals which is related to the music and medicine, the combinations, and few works with respect to the yield of milk with music, and a few work and music with respect to milk yield automatically. Now come back to the PPT, and we can go forward. So before that, I will show some of the research work already happened, uh, or you can say the literatures of music and related to the medicine, or the uh, some of the effort done by the researcher with respect to the music and the brain. Few research work or thesis goes like this: music and culture parallel evolution. As we listen to the folk songs, along with the culture, the music has been evolved. So as the culture improve, there will be a structurization of music, and at every functions there will be a music. Okay, now go back. So there are few more studies in the music, how sound and music can contribute to the health, and its review. Okay, smartphone based awareness with respect to music streaming, and raga and tonic identification of Karnataka music, and a study on the therapy with respect to the music on the children. So how the development will be taking place, and music as a medicine. So how can we interpret based on the with respect to the medicine, like that. And the effect of music on the depressed and sleep quality in early elderly people. So these are the some examples. A few of the effect of relaxation, music listening on sleep quality, and there are some software are generated to develop the music, or to create based on the curiosity. Maybe you maybe listen to the children Tom and Jerry video. There will be a more activity along with the music. So the kids are very curious to the sounds, and the scientists and engineers, they have created some sort of language, particularly to generate the music, and music emotion with respect to the brain. She is the Shantala Hegde. She is working as a associate professor in the NIMANS, and the effect of music, sleep, sad active quality. society and the community. So like this, there are few work has been done in different the perception. There are so many research activities are going around the world. So, as we conclude this, there is a bundle of knowledge in Samaveda which gives more enlightenment to the music, and there are so many researchers are doing the research work throughout the world. These are the few topics we can knock the window to. We can put the effort to open the window or doors of research in the field of music, and I can conclude that there is a scope, there is a need to do the research. Prior to start the music research, I try to give the few hints related the basic work what we need. The first thing is we need to go through the basic aspects of music. Second thing is the mathematics and music. How can we apply the mathematics to the music for the synthesis or recognition or the mimiction, or how can we use the virtual sensors uh, to the music? There are a few papers I will show. So if try to refer my paper on the sensor for virtual music environment, a survey, and some hand gesture thing, and some of the musical paper already corresponded yet to publish. Those who are interested to do the research in the music or music signal processing, as a conclusion, I can take this opportunity to thank the organizers of this FTP, and those who are interested, please contact me uh, through mail or through phone or directly, and thank one and all for patience listening. Please mail me on this the informative the talk, your opinion and your area of interest. Finally, I thank to one and all for patient listening. Thank you. Stay home, stay healthy. Thanks.